Welcome to part 4 of Linux 0 to Expert. Today you take full control of files, creating, copying, moving, renaming, and deleting, plus wildcards, the pattern trick that lets one command handle 100 files at once. And we need to talk seriously about rm, the delete command, because the terminal has no recycle bin and no undo. I'll give you the safety habits that professionals use so you get the power without the horror stories. Open your Linux Lab folder from part 2 and type along. This one's all hands on. Let's go. Building first. mkdir makes a folder, but the -p flag is the real gift. mkdir-p app/src/utils creates the entire nested path in one command. Copying is cp. cp notes to back up duplicates of file. Add a trailing slash on the destination and it copies into that folder. For folders, you need -r, recursive, which takes the folder and everything inside. And adopt this professional habit today. Add -v, verbose, to cp and mv and rm. It makes every command narrate what it did, so you're never left wondering what just happened. Small flag, huge peace of mind. mv is one command with two jobs. Move draft to final in the same folder? That's a rename. Move final into projects? An actual move. Folders work natively, no -r needed, because under the hood mv just relabels where things live. You can move many files at once with wildcards. mv star.log into logs. More on that star in a moment. But here's the danger you must know. mv overwrites silently. If the destination already has a file with that name, it's gone, replaced, no warning. The fix is -i, interactive mode, which asks before clobbering. Until your reflexes are trained, -i is your friend. Wildcards turn one command into 100. Star matches anything. Star.txt is every text file here. Question mark matches exactly one character, and square brackets match one character from a set. img_9 matches img0 through img9. Useful detail. It's the shell that expands the pattern into the full file list before the command even runs. Which brings us to the golden rule that will save you one day. Preview first. Before rm star.tmp, run ls star.tmp, same pattern, harmless command. Look at exactly what matches. Then, and only then, swap ls for rm 10 seconds of caution, career-long safety. And now rm, the command that demands respect. When rm deletes a file, there is no recycle bin, no undo. It's gone. -r removes folders with their contents, and -f forces, no questions. Combined as rm-rf, it will silently erase anything you pointed at, which is why you've seen the memes about rm-rf/. Here's the sneaky version that gets professionals. rm-rf$var/. If that variable is ever empty, you just ask to delete from root. Real scripts always check variables first. Your habits. Preview patterns with ls. Keep -i or I on while learning, and consider the trash CLI tool, which gives Linux an actual trash can. Power plus habits equals safety. Part 4 done. You now have full control over files and folders. The recap. mkdir-p builds whole paths. cp needs -r for folders. mv both moves and renames, but overwrites silently. Wildcards multiply your power, and rm is forever. Preview with ls. Confirm with -i. And never trust an unchecked variable in a script. Practice in Linux Lab. Make a small folder tree, scatter some files, then reorganize it with mv and wildcards. Next up, part 5. Actually reading and editing files. Cat. Less. Head and tail for viewing. Nano for easy edits. And just enough vim to never be trapped in it again. See you there.